Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your account and saves so you don't lose progress. First, back up local Xbox data to the cloud or an external drive. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, power cycle the console by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds and unplugging for 30 seconds to clear cache. Next, sign back into the identical Xbox Live profile tied to Rocket League. This ensures the correct cloud sync. Now you're ready to inspect game files and reset corrupted local save data safely. You now remove the corrupted local save while keeping the cloud copy intact. Go to Settings, Right Arrow System, Right Arrow Storage or My Games, and Apps, Right Arrow Manage, select Rocket League, then save data and choose Delete Local Only. The cloud copy remains safe. If you used external storage, clear reserved space to force a fresh sync. If storage diagnostics show file errors, uninstall and reinstall Rocket League to replace damaged files. This forces the console to re-download a clean save from the cloud when you launch the game. You finish by restoring and verifying the clean save so you can play again. Launch Rocket League and wait for the automatic cloud sync to download your save. Make sure you stay signed into Xbox Live. If the sync fails, check Xbox Live service status and reboot your router. Network issues often block cloud restores. If problems persist, perform a console hard reset, manually reupload your cloud save, or contact Fanatics support for account-level recovery. This sequence resolves most corruption issues and preserves competitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.